Hi everybody, this is Patti and thank you for joining my channel. I am about to stuff some shells and I will show you the ingredients that I have here. Fresh garlic chopped, one whole yellow onion and fresh parsley chopped, green onion chopped, ricotta cheese, whipped cream cheese, and these are the jumbo shells. I have grated Parmesan cheese, Prego flavored meat, Italian sauce, and these are the cheeses that I'll be using, the other cheeses: mild cheddar, Kobe Jack, mozzarella cheese, and I'm just going to use a handful, not the whole bag or whatever. And this is my 2 pounds of ground meat, and I have rinsed it with cold water. I am straining it, and I will pat it dry with some paper towel. And yes, this is what I do, so please don't judge me because I rinse my ground meat off. And in this skillet, I have 2 tablespoons of avocado and olive oil mixed. And once I put this together, I'll come back. But what I'm going to do is add I have the oil in the skillet, and I'm going to put in my seasonings, my vegetables. I will put the garlic in last because I don't want it to burn. So I will saute this before I put my meat in. And I will come back to you in just a bit. Here's the meat. I've put the seasonings in with the meat, and I will drain it once it is all browned up. And these are the dry seasonings that I use: onion powder, garlic, pepper seasoning, and I have some pepper that I grind, and about a half teaspoon of thyme. So I'll come back. Okay guys, the meat is already cooked and it's been drained and it's going to cool. And I have my water boiling with my 1 bouillon in it. Didn't put any salt, just use this 1 bouillon cube and about a tablespoon of olive oil and avocado oil mixed. Once it comes to a boil, then I will add the jumbo shells to it, and I will come right back. I've put in the shells and they're boiling. I'm going to let them boil for about 5 minutes, and I put the oil in so that they won't stick together. But here they are boiling, and I'll take them out after 5 minutes, and I will put them in cold water to stop the cooking process before I get ready to make my mixture to stuff them. But I'll be right back. I brought you back in to see my shells that I have here, and I've put my sauce in the bottom of my dish, and I sprayed the bottom of my dish a little bit with this first, and then I put some sauce there, and you see I've stuffed some shells and put them in there, and this is my mixture. And let me tell you what I put in. I put in this whole container, 15 ounces of ricotta cheese, and then I put 4 ounces of this cream cheese, whipped cream cheese, and for each of these bags of cheese, I put a fourth of a cup of each one of them, and I'm going to sprinkle all of them on top, and I put about a fourth cup of this Parmesan cheese. And when I get everything all in the dish. I'll bring you back and show you. And I have my oven heated at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to let the shells stay in there for about 30 or 35 minutes. And I boiled my shells for about 7 minutes. So anywhere from 5 to 7 minutes. And this is what I've started doing. I've just used this spoon here and just stuff the shells. And I will pause right here and come back. These are ready to go in the oven. And I meant to tell you that I mixed up 1 egg along with this mixture of my meat and my cheeses. I didn't tell you, but I mixed 1 egg. It's going in the oven for about 30-35 minutes. And I'll pause and come right back. And I do have some other shells that I'm going to put in another dish. Be right back. Well, you guys, here is the finished product. My stuffed meat and ricotta cheese shells. Here it is. Here it is. Hey everybody, these are the shells plated, and I have tasted them really, really good. Look at them. Here they are, and I garnished them with parsley flakes. Okay, and I'll let you see where I took that from in my dish right here. And I covered my dish with foil while it was cooking. And I let it cook for about 35 minutes. And here it is. All that good sauce and cheese. But anyway, I will talk to you guys on the next exciting video. And these are my ricotta and meat stuffed shells. And please like, share, follow, subscribe, ring the notification bell, and give me the thumb up. I will talk to you guys later, and I love you all. Bye now.